Well, I actually got a yard project done finally. The original little screws that were holding the handle to my dustbin, one pulled through completely, so I had to cut them out of the wood handle. And I found a couple bolts that would fit and tighten them in as best I can through a little blue Loctite. Red Loctite would be better, but this is stage one. We've had this thing at least 25 years. My dad bought it, so it's got to be even more than that. So, as soon as it dries, I'm going to get my paints and primers out, the rattle cans, and I'm going to give it a new facelift. And I'll need some black or gray. Might have some green duct tape for the handle at the top. Oh well, too long.